Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to refund an item you've bought from Temu without making a return. So this is their Temu's refund and return policy, which is on their Google account as well. First of all, they're showing you how you can make a return on their mobile app. You need to go to your orders. They'll give you a return, a refund option. And from there, you need to follow the proper steps, which are shown on the screen in front of you. And from here you'll follow these steps on your mobile app, and then you'll return your item. This is the Temu return process. You'll first of all log into Temu, you'll select an order, then you can return or refund it. You can select the items you want to return, and then you'll get your refund as well. The Temu provider will receive and inspect the package, and after reviewing, you'll choose your return and refund methods, and after that you'll be able to complete your process. They've shown you many other contents on their website as well, like is the return shipping free. You can also see where you can find the return label after applying. But let's go to the more important part. Let's go to refunds. This is your refund timeline, and you can see how much time it would take for Temu to refund your financial institution. You can see if you pay from all of these methods, their subsequent time has been written right in front of you. So let's say you're paying through Google Pay. The time for Temu to refund your financial institution will typically be in 5 minutes, and the financial institution processing time will be around 1 to 5 business days. And following these steps from your app, you'll be able to refund an item. And after following all of these steps, you'll be able to refund an item without returning it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.